Crazzy, let's go work. Welcome back to Crazy Lizzy Goat Farm More. Let's go for the animals. Out here on Crazy Lizzy, we've been sick with cold and stuff. Just been sick. And all of that, let's just go show you the animals. And me feeding the animals and everything. And that's mostly what I'm going to do today, I think. Let's go see. Hey girls! We've been cleaning our stall out. Slowly. Again, try and get it clean, try and get it dry in here still. And all that, let's feed them. Lucy, Joy, you ready to eat? Say yes. Stop, Joy. Hopefully we can have some milk till October. It'd be cool if they stay in milk that long. But knowing because all this heat and stuff and I got sick, they're drying up very fast right now. Let's go feed our group. Hello, Evie. Evie girl. There's the Evie girl. Okay? Come on, girls. Everyone, there's an update on Jessie, how big she is. And that's the electric fence you're hearing. And there's Cowie. There's Damon. Maydon. Maydon right there with how big she is. And there's Jasmine, everyone. And this year, actually this year, it'd be her first time being bred and stuff. Yes. They look so good and healthy. And we got Batavia right here. Yeah, hey Batavia, how are you? Kiwi? Coconut? They're over there laying down. And Ting Tuck's inside the house. Staying cool. Okay. We done work. Work's all done. Let's go in now and cool off. And go find Little Fairy. Let's go find Little Fairy. Go in, cool off, and again, go find Little Fairy. She's somewhere around here.
Much later.
Well, it might sound like it's days, everyone, but I found Little Fairy, and I made her some coffee. Let's see what she says. Fairy!
What?
Here's you some coffee.
Oh,
because you woke up at 4 o'clock this morning.
Oh, thank you. Oh, let's see if this is any good. I know it is, because you made it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when you drink coffee, you gotta go. It's good, Susan. What you been doing, Susan?
Well, you've been going. It's been forever since I found you.
Forever.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you doing now?
I'm sewing a blanket.
A blanket?
Yes.
Okay, Little Fairy.
Yes.
In this video.
Please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave comments. And remember, Jesus loves you. Until the next time.